Hello and welcome to the Recap 2023 Quiz Science and Technology section. As we have reached the climax of this Quiz Recap 2023 section, so this is the last episode of this segment, and in this episode we will be discussing about the science and technology MCQs. And I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. So enjoy this auspicious occasion and let's begin. So first MCQ that we'll be discussing it with reference to Artemis Accords. Consider the following statements. So there are three statements which are given and we have to talk about the correct statements. First, they are established by the US State Department with 6 other founding nations. Second, it builds upon the foundation of the Outer Space Treaty of 1967. Third, India became the 27th country to sign the Artemis Accord. So these are the three statements. So what do you think would be the answer of this? How many are correct? Only one, only two, all three, or none of the above? So if we talk about the Artemis Accord, then in June 2023, India became the 27th signatory of 3-year-old Artemis Accord. So the Artemis Accord came into existence in the year 2020. And the Artemis Accord, the purpose is to establish a practical set of principles to guide the space exploration cooperation among nations, including those participating in NASA's Artemis program. So the space exploration cooperation, so that all the states or all the countries come together and they cooperate with each other while talking about or exploring the new heights in with regard to the space technology or the space, outer space. And NASA, with association with the US Department of State, has established the Artemis Accord in 2020 together with 7 other founding member nations. So it is not 6, it is 7 members. And the Artemis Accord reinforce and implement key obligations in the 1967 Outer Space Treaty. So it implements the Outer Space Treaty. So the correct answer given is only 2 statements, and that is second statement is correct and third statement is correct. First is wrong because in place of 6 other founding member nations, the correct answer is 7 other founding member nations. So the correct answer is option B, that is only 2. Now about the second statement or the second MCQ, that is Asia's largest helicopter factory has been inaugurated in which of the following states of India? Asia's largest helicopter factory: Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh or Kerala. So these are the 4 statements. So if we talk about the Asia's largest helicopter manufacturing facility, then the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, has inaugurated the helicopter facility of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in Karnataka. So it has been inaugurated in the state of Karnataka, and it is spread across more than 600 acres of land, and HAL's mega chopper unit is said to be Asia's largest chopper factory. So whole of Asia, it is considered to be the largest chopper factory. And who is building it? It is built by the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So this is all, many a times this can also be asked. Then Asia's largest helicopter manufacturing facility will initially produce the light utility helicopters with the unique feature of high maneuverability. So initially the light utility helicopters would be produced. It means not very heavy helicopters will be made here. Firstly, it will be the light utility helicopters. So the correct answer is option A, that is Karnataka. Now next question. Third question, if we talk about, consider the following statements about Pralay ballistic missile. So there are 2 statements and we have to talk about the correct statements. First is, it is a surface to surface missile with a payload capacity of 500 to 1000 kg. Second, it is developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization known as DRDO. We have to talk about the correct statement. Codes are 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. So let's talk about the Pralay ballistic missile. So India has successfully test fired its surface to surface short-range ballistic missile named as Pralay from the Abdul Kalam Island of the Odisha coast. So it is surface to surface. It means it will start off from surface, will go to surface. Short-range ballistic missile is not a long range or a medium range. It is a short-range missile. It is developed by DRDO, and it is a 350 to 500 kilometer short range missile, surface to surface missile with a payload capacity of 500 to 1000 kg. Then Pralay has been developed for deployment along the line of actual control and the line of control, that is along the borders of two volatile neighbors that we have, that is Pakistan and China. So the correct answer is option C, that is both 1 and 2. It means both the statements are correct. Now next question. Consider the following statements in relation to Aditya L1 mission. So there are 4 statements given. We have to talk about the correct ones. First, it is the first space-based observatory class Indian solar mission to study the sun. Second, it aims to provide valuable insights into the chromosphere and the solar wind. Third, its launch was conducted using the PSLV C-57 rocket. Fourth, its objective is to gain a deeper understanding of the sun's behavior. So these are the 4 statements. Codes given are only 1, only 2, only 3 or all 4. You have to talk about the correct statement, and I am not telling you the answer. You need to give me the answer in the comment section, as you people must have seen the recap. So give me the answer in the comment section. Then 5th question is, consider the following statements. There are 2 statements and you have to talk about the correct ones. First, NISAR has been built by space agencies of the United States of America and India under a partnership agreement signed in 2014. Second, the objective of Chandrayaan 3 is to demonstrate safe and soft landing on lunar surface. So these are the 2 statements. You have to talk about the correct one. Only 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So give me the answer of this question also in the comment section. So you can give the answer as question number 4 answer, and then question number 5 answer. And I am sure you people must have seen the recap, and if you people have not seen the recap till now, go to the recap section and see the videos. And there are many different videos that we have made on the topics which has happened in the year 2023. So go there, see the video and give me the answer in the comment section. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.